Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video, I bring some new and uniquely creatively designed ideas of different jute craft animal ideas that you can be used to decorate as a decorative or creative art piece in your different areas in the house and to decorate your kids' room and also gift it to them as a present on different occasions. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will like this collection and enjoy this video. In this video, I bring some new and uniquely designed jute craft animal ideas for my viewers. These are creatively designed ideas and very keenly designed ideas to make your kids happy and to gift it to them on different occasions. As kids like these sort of ideas and they want to play with these sort of things, and you can also use these creative art pieces for different home decoration ideas, and these are some creative craft ideas that you can use to decorate your different birthday parties, events which you are organizing for your kids and their friends. You can create these sort of creative craft ideas and themes for these parties which kids enjoy the most, and you can use these ideas on special events. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, there are creatively designed ideas of different animals like peacocks and different other animals which kids like the most can also be created. Different fishes can be created from these ideas, and birds can also be created, and ducks can be created, turtles can be created, which kids like to play with them, and you can also use these ideas as a decorative piece in your houses to hang on your walls and to place on different tables, and you can also create a basket animal theme ideas and place many things in it according to your home decorations. I hope you will like this video, and I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas and collection for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries in the comment section. I hope you will like this video, and if you like it, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and encourages me to bring latest ideas for you. So viewers, keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.